Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make cheese Danish at home. I went to BJ's and I was really overzealous and got this massive thing of puff pastry. So be prepared for more puff pastry recipes. And I need to get rid of them because they've been in the freezer for a while. So I want to make sure that they don't go bad. So today I'm going to show you how to make puff pastry, well, cheese Danish with puff pastry, which is what it's made with anyways. You will see how easy it is to make at home, and it is absolutely delicious. So if you want to know how to make this, make sure you continue to watch. So for the filling, what you're going to need is some cream cheese. Oops, let me move this out of the way. Alright, so for the filling, what you're going to need is some cream cheese that's softened at room temperature, 1 egg yolk, the zest of half a lemon, some powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and then a pinch of salt. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, which I don't have at the moment, but I will. So into my cream cheese, I added my egg yolk and then a splash of vanilla. I would say you're looking for about a teaspoon or so. And then using my handheld whisk mixer, I'm going to go ahead and mix this together till it's nicely combined. My mixture is nice and creamy, which is what you want, and now we are going to add in just a small pinch of salt, really little, but this helps to bring out all the flavors, so definitely don't want to skip that step. And then I know this is a little different, but I like to add a little bit of lemon zest into here. Just a couple of. This will give it some freshness, something that you really don't expect. You can also do orange zest. I've done both, and let me tell you, both are a hit. And then I'm going to add in half of my confectioner sugar now, and once it's mixed in, I'll add in the other half. So here is my filling. As you can see, it's gorgeous, it's creamy, it smells wonderful. So now what you're gonna need is your puff pastry, obviously, and then an egg wash, which is just eggs, 1 egg with a couple tablespoons of water that you whisk together. So what I did was I took 1 sheet of puff pastry, I cut it in half, I put half on my lightly floured surface, and then I cut the half into 4s. So essentially I'm gonna make 8 of these. So now what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the mixture here, just like so, kind of spread it out. I think this is good. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the 2 end corners, oops, I don't think you could see, you're going to take the 2 opposite corners, kind of like that. You're going to pinch them together. What you can also do is take some egg wash, put it right in there to act like the glue. And there is your Danish. Now before we put it on our baking sheet, you're going to take your egg wash and you are just going to wash anywhere that's visible, just like so, just so it doesn't burn and it gets nice and puffy. That's what we want, puffiness. There we go. Look at that. And then you're going to take a baking sheet that I've sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. You're going to put it on. Once they're on, you're going to bake them for about, I would say, 15 to 18 minutes or until this is fully cooked through, and you're good to go. It was easy, it's delicious, and it's very cost effective to make these at home. I'm so happy that you spent your day with me. I can't wait to see you next time, and yeah, bye.